So today's video is about bouncing back into a positive space. So as a coach, I very often get asked, about how we can stay positive. And I've made videos in the past where I talk about energy and self-soothing and finding ways to sort of replenish ourselves. But I was thinking for the day-to-day activities, basically for people, as we're rushing around doing our daily business, how do we kind of rejig back into good energy? Because what my work is all about is to share how, as we raise our energy, we raise the environment around us, and we make the manifesting part, the bringing to us part, much easier, because everything that's happening in our world is a result of energy. Even the money that we bring into our life is essentially energy. So the key to understand here is that as a human being having a human life, it's impossible for anyone to stay on a high energy vibe, a positive space always and forever. It's just not possible. We're going to be knocked out here and there, and we might be knocked out a lot during the day. But the idea is to keep coming back, to keep rejigging it back to a space that feels good to us, where we come back to living with ease and grace and committed to joy and wanting to share that. So happy people making the world a happier place. So the way to do that in a sort of quick and efficient way, if you don't have time to go sit in meditation, you don't have time to go take your walk in the park, I just wanted to give you a quick strategy for how to do that. And what you do is you notice that the energy is off. You notice that you're in a place you'd rather not be, because you know that place doesn't bring good things. And you take a deep breath in. And you choose again. I choose peace instead. And there's nothing more for you to do. You've made the choice. Now you get on with it and you see what happens. And try it whenever you feel the energy is off. This is one of those tips and tricks videos where you're going to get a result very quickly, and it's an easy way to shift the energy. The key is to be aware of when the energy has gone off, and to want to have a willingness to get back into a good energy space. And from there, you'll do it again and again and again. And this is the premise of my work, that we're continually choosing between love and fear, and love and fear, and love and fear, with every thought, with every action, with every decision that we make. And so if we continually choose the way of peace, the way of love, the way of joy, the way of grace, the way of ease, then we can begin to live our life with the teacher of love, instead of the teacher of pain and the teacher of fear and the teacher. We don't have to wait for it to get so rough before we're willing to learn, before we're ready to open our heart and open our mind. Let's make the learning a continual one, and let's continually choose again and choose peace over and over and over again, because essentially our inner peace is what is going to create everything that we want in our outer world. And so I hope this helps. And until the next video, have a lovely day.